Hello, Paradigms English 12 students. It has come to my attention that we need a little refresher tutorial on how to build these portfolios. The only way I can think of to do this effectively is to just kind of start from ground zero. I don't know where you are in the process, but I'm going to start with building that portfolio, even though I know I did a tutorial on that. I don't know. It seems like some students are missing that. And please forgive my Chihuahua. He is losing his mind this morning. All right. So if you sign into Xello, and if you're having trouble signing into Xello, you need to send Ms. Carlson an email so that she can rectify that for you. So under portfolios, if you see that here, yours might have a little red rectangle if you haven't created any portfolios yet. But you're going to go to portfolios. Now, I've already created this all about me. That was lesson 1, if you'll remember, for the making a portfolio in general. And I'm going to go to, I only have one portfolio created, and it's this all about me. And this is what I chose as my cover photo. Once you've learned how to change your cover photo, you can change it to whatever you want to. I use those balloons in a lesson, but once you know how to change it, go ahead and change it to something that reveals or reflects who you are. This is me kayaking, well, at least the tip of my kayak as I kayaked on Lake Superior this summer. Something I love doing and I feel proud of doing at my age too. All right, so you'll notice that the title here is all about me. This portfolio highlights the About Me lessons I have completed in Xello. Yours should say exactly that, should be capitalized, all about me. Remember, we're learning, how to capitalize things properly too. As seniors in high school, we need to know that in titles, we capitalize each letter in the title, right? Or each word, the first letter of each word, except for there are some exceptions, right? All right, this portfolio highlights the About Me lessons I've completed in Xello. I'm looking for capitalization efforts too. All right, I'm going to click into this. And you'll notice it says right away, build your portfolio by adding sections. So that's something we're going to return to. So title of my portfolio is all about me. The first thing I put in here was my personality style. Please do not freestyle this. You're putting in the personality style based on your Xello lesson called personality style. And I've noticed some students are just freelancing saying, here's what my personality is like. No, no, no. So in order to do that, you have to go to add section and click on Xello activities. Hold on, I'm just waiting for Xello to catch up to me. Choose media, Xello activities. And then you are going to want to title that too. So let's say I want to add career choices, or I don't know, matchmaker or something. I'm trying to think of how to do this. Maybe I'll just do another personality style just so you can see how I'm doing this. And I want to capitalize that, right? And then Xello activities. And next, here is where it says choose Xello activities to add. Now you're going to have done these activities. You can see what's highlighted here: personality style, learning style, desired skills. Those are things I've completed in Xello, so I can add any of those. I can't add any of these because I haven't done them yet, right? So let's say I want to add personality style, add to portfolio. Now I've got that in here twice now, which, is going to be kind of silly, but I just wanted to show you how to do that. So it pulls up what the results were from doing my personality style. Then I want to add media. This was one of the assignments as well, external media, because I'm going to add some pictures to zhuzh things up a little bit. Now I can click pictures that I've, saved on my desktop or my downloads or whatever. And I don't even know what I have right now saved, but I'm just going to pick something here. So let's see. I'm going to pick this Barbie one. You guys have seen me in this Barbie box, but I want to add that because I think it kind of talks about my personality or kind of shows my personality. Then I'm going to click next, and you'll see that boop, it popped right in there. And then I want to put a title. Me at the Barbie movie. Actually, for titles, remember we want to capitalize keywords. Me at the Barbie movie premiere. And description. I think this photo captures the fun side of my personality. And then add to portfolio. So now under personality style, I've got a picture of me at the Barbie movie. It looks like it cut it off. I think I have to click on it for it to show up. But I like putting that under my personality style because I think it does kind of show that I'm expressive. And then one of the other parts of the personality style assignment was to reflect on it. So add media. No, I don't want to add media. Yes, I do. Text entry. Next. Title. Reflecting on my personality assessment lesson in Xello. Oops, I gotta capitalize that. In Xello. See, I even have to remind myself to do it. And then I want to say what my reflection is. I feel like the personality, I can spell it, I swear. Personality style assessment accurately reflects who I am and I'll just put that. It reflects who I am. I forgot already what it said, but I know one of the things was the fact that it stated I am creative feels very much like the assessment understood that I enjoy being creative. I enjoy making things, acting, singing, and so forth. I don't know. That's going to depend on you, right? But I'm thinking about how did this accurately portray who I am doing this assessment. And I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty cool that it just asks me some questions and then it figures out that, wow, I mean, for me, it was very accurate. And then there was another part of it too that I would want to explore in here as well. Add to portfolio. And now I've got, my teacher can come in and look, or anybody can come in and look that I give access to my Xello. Personality style. Oh yeah, persuader. That was the other one. Persuader, creator. I'm going to put in 2, maybe 3 photos of something about me being creative and then reflecting on what I found out about the personality assessment in Xello. Now up here, I had done that already, and here's what I put in before. Reflecting on the results of my personality style assessment, I feel like this is a good assessment of my personality. Our persuader is definitely a good way to describe me, as I have always been interested in teaching others what I know, yada, yada, yada. One of the pieces of media I put was I enjoy singing in front of people. And then there's just I suppose I could have put a picture of me actually singing, but it's just a silhouette. I enjoy acting, so I just put some theater masks in here. All the world's a stage is a Shakespeare quote, and I love Shakespeare. I love knitting, crocheting, weaving, macrame, things like that. So I put a picture of that. But you can see how this is starting to reflect who I am. A picture of me kayaking. Here's the results of my Xello lesson. Here's me reflecting on that Xello lesson. Here's some media images of the things I love to do. This is how I'm going to get to know you, and possibly how you're going to get to know yourself as you build this portfolio. And the second part of that was my learning style. Again, you're not freelancing that. You're not free writing about what you think your learning style is. You're adding your Xello content. And again, I'm going to go over that quickly again. Add section, title, my learning style, Xello activities, learning style, add to portfolio. Boop, it pops up magically. And then I'm going to reflect on that. So I've got to add media, text entry, next, reflections, reflecting on the results of the learning style assessment in Xello. I don't know if we need to keep saying in Xello. We're already in Xello. We can leave that here. And then I would go ahead and reflect on it right there. Oh, it's not going to do that. Okay. Just testing. Add to portfolio. Okay, how come it? Oh yeah, there it is. Reflecting on the results of my learning style assessment, and then here would be my reflection. And then I could put some pictures in there again. Things that reflect how I'm a visual learner. I mean, look how much I'm a visual learner. Goodness. So maybe I would put a picture in there of like how I love to color code my spreadsheets or something like that. All right, hopefully this got you up to speed a little bit on how your portfolio is looking in Xello. I'm looking to make sure that you are using the standard English language rules of punctuation, capitalization, spelling, all of that kind of thing. But at the same time, I'm more excited about learning who you are and seeing yourself